Hey guys, Ryan from SkipperBud's here out of our Antioch, Illinois location, and today we're going over a 2022 Glastron 180 GTD. This one's in the white and crimson red exterior. We got a sure load single axle trailer. Really nice. Got the nice recessed cleats along the sides. I'll walk us through from the transom forward. This one's got the gray C-deck with the cockpit reed ash flooring. This one's powered by a Mercury 115 command thrust engine, 4-stroke. On Glastron, you got the nice walk down, so you don't have to have people step on your cushions. We do have the cushion tucked behind that driver's seat right there. Quick pan around. We got battery and storage underneath. Both sides, a nice finished storage goes throughout. There's a removable cushion and platform here if you want to walk through for port access on and off the dock. You got a built-in line cooler, throw your bag of ice and drinks. Removable backrest here, which can face either direction. Right now you have the bow facing direction. There's a cooler underneath that's removable. There's straps to hold it down so it doesn't slide around. Storage underneath your front seats here. Nice walkout on the deck boat GTD series. Moving into the helm. Got some nice gauges. Your kicker audio head unit. All your manual switches on the side for your horn, navigation lights, stereo, bilge pump, accessories, etc. Nice captain's chair with a bolster seat that flips up. A lot of nice leg room. It's equipped for up to 10 people. In the center floor, you got your ski locker here where we currently have the cover and all the poles for it, but it's a nice big section, good for skis and other equipment. This boat is currently available and in stock at our Sequoia Harbor, Antioch, Illinois location. Give us a call today.